Hello everybody, Thunlunk here, and today we're gonna be putting 100 CO2 canisters in the microwave. As you can see over here, we have 100 CO2 canisters. And we have a microwave. Now, to show you the effects of the CO2, I'll show you a short clip of my brother, definitely not me, and he's got this CO2 canister, right? Now, I'm just saying, this is one CO2 canister, and look at the effects that this has on him. Absolutely devastating. So, today, we're gonna see what happens. Now, I haven't told anyone this, but if you heat these over 120 degrees Fahrenheit, you're gonna have a bad time. Which I'm gonna show you what this says in like a few seconds. But basically, don't be stupid with these. And guess what we're gonna do? We're gonna be very stupid by putting these in the microwave. 1, 2, 3, 4. Yep, I just put it in the microwave. Let's go. That wasn't that bad.